Hello everyone, this is Vrushali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous session we discussed about the SQL practical which is based on the relational operators, boolean operators, then also discuss about all the DDL and DML commands with proper scenario. I have mentioned a complete database management system playlist link in below description box. Now, in today's session we will discuss our next scenario which is based on the pattern matching operators. In SQL, pattern matching operators are generally used to find out or search specific pattern, specific name. In SQL, there is a common matching operator is like. So like operator is called as pattern matching operator. This operator is used with the percent sign as well as underscore. Underscore which is also called as wildcard operator. So let's understand how pattern matching operators have exactly used. See here in this scenario, you have to create one employee table with the attributes like ID, name, mobile number, email ID. And you have to insert any 5 employee records. So first, we will create one table here. So I'm using the database. I have already created one employee database here. So I'm just use this database. So use employee. Okay. So just execute this line. Okay. Okay. So we use employee database. Now I want to create one table here. So create table and suppose my table name is employee 1 and I want to pass the parameters suppose employee ID which is integer data type and it is my primary key because every employee has their own unique ID. Then employee name I'm giving the varchar data type and max employee name size is almost 50 characters. Now after that next one is a mobile number. So you can give mobile number varchar also because some mobile numbers have always start with the plus, right? So you can use integers, mobile or varchar anything here. Now after that next one is the email ID. So basically we stored the details of employee, personal details of employee, employee ID, varchar and passing the size 150 here. Okay. So just execute this line. Okay, see our table have created. Now let's see the structure of table. So just execute select star from employee 1. So select command to display the structure of your table. See our table have created. On the left side there is a schema. Just refresh it. So employee is your database. In tables there is a employee 1 table. Right. Now you have to insert any records here. Just a second. Okay. So you have to insert the record. Insert into our table name is employee 1 values. So I'm inserting here one record. Suppose my employee ID is 101. Employee name is suppose Raj. Then employee mobile number. So you can give a particular mobile number here. I can't apply the constraints. Okay. You can apply the constraint that mobile number is 10 digit only in this way. And suppose Raj at the rate this is gmail.com. Okay, this is my first record. Again, I want to add another record here. So, suppose employee ID is 102 and suppose name is Shreyash and suppose this is the mobile number of Shreyas and the mail ID is SHRE Shreyash. At the rate, now I am giving here yahoo.com. Okay, now again I want to add one more record here that is record 103 ID and suppose name is Parth and mobile number suppose now I am giving here 79 and mail ID is parth@gmail.com. Again I want to add one more record here. This is my last leg record. So that is 104 and suppose name is Neha, and suppose mobile number is this, and that is neha at the rate gmail.com, right? So I want to insert total 5 records. So I'm executing this line. Now let's see our records have inserted properly or not. So see here, ID, name, mobile number, and email ID. Correct. So in this way, you have to create the table and insert records in table. Now, as per the scenario, what is our first task? You have to find a name which is starting with A. Okay. So as per our data, we have to find out the name which is starting with S. Okay. How to find out? See. Select star. We have to find out the name only. Okay. So select our column name is name from our table name is employee 1. Where? Because we apply the specific condition here. The name starting with A. Okay. We apply the particular condition. So where clause is there. So where name like. So we can use the like operator. So the name starting with S because in our table there is a Shreyas name is there. Okay. Starting with S and there is a percent. In this way, like operators have used. See, S means the name starting with S and percent indicate the remaining further characters. In this way, we can apply the pattern matching operators. Let's execute this line. See here. Okay. See, in your table, the name starting with S is there is only one name that is Shreyas. Clear? So in this way, we can apply the pattern matching operators. Suppose you want to find out the name which is ended with A. Okay, see, Neha, the name is ended with A. So what you have to do? Same query is there. Select name from employee 1 where name like as percent. So you have to ended with A. So for ended with A purpose, you have to apply A here. So percent A means all the further characters ended with A in this way. So just execute this line. See. They show the name ended with A. And if you want to all the records of particular person, the name ended with A. So just write down here star. Okay, see, they show the all the or complete records here, right? Okay. Now our next task is you have to find out the employee whose name starting with S and have exactly 5 letters. Here we will search the name starting with a particular character. But there is again another condition, the name having exactly 5 letters. Okay, see here. As per our table, just a minute. Okay, see. Now you have to find out the name. Suppose we want to find out the name Parth. Okay, so name starting with a P and they have a exactly 4 letters are there. Okay, the P and more 4 letters are there, 4 characters are there. So how to find out? See, same query is there. So select name from employee 1 where name like. So that is P. Just a second. So name starting with P and after P how many letters? A, R, T, H means 4 letters are there, right? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically this underscore which is also called as wildcard operator, each underscore show the one character. Okay. So name starting with P and after that there are total 4 underscore. Means after P there are total 4 characters in this way. So just execute this line. See, they show the details of the path. And if you want to complete record, so just use your star and execute this line. See. So wildcard operator, each underscore represent the one characters. In this way, pattern matching operators have used. Now, after that, the next scenario is you have to find out the employee whose number starting with 98. Okay. Now let's see. So first check our data here. Okay. Now we have to find out the employee number which is starting with 98. So just execute the same queries there. So select name from employee 1 where so our attribute name is now mobile number, mobile number like starting with 98. Okay, starting with 98. So just execute this line. See. So there are Raj and Shreyas whose number starting with 98. If you want to check the complete record, so just mention the star here. See, Raj, the name starting with 98 and Shreyas, the name starting with 98. Clear? Now, next, if you want to find out the name as per the middle element. Okay, see, here Shreyas. The middle is suppose E, Y, A. These are the some middle characters. So if you want to find out the name as per the middle characters, how to find out? See. So select star from employee where name like what is in between that EY. So EY and percent. So percent before and percent after and in middle there are characters which is called as middle characters. So they find out all the names which include EY, this kind of word. So just execute this line. See, they show the record of Shreyas. Clear? So percent A means ended with A. Then 98% means starting with 98. And in middle percent means the word, the name which have the middle word EY. Right. So this is our next task. Now the last task is you have to find out the employee with Gmail or Yahoo emails account. Okay. So what is the query? Same query is there. You have to find out all the records or employee who having a Gmail account. Okay. So Gmail account always there is a end. So percent gmail.com. Right. So just execute this line. See. Okay, they didn't show any record. Just a second. Okay. We have a @gmail.com here. Right. So execute this line. See. Just a second. @gmail.com. So as per our data, as per our database, wait a minute. We will check our database first. Okay. See, there is a @gmail.com, @yahoo.com, and also there is a @gmail.com. Yes, correct data is there. So you have to find out the okay. The attributes name is email ID is there. Email ID. Okay. So you have to find out the employee email ID which like @gmail.com. So execute this line. Yes, see. So as per your database, there are total 3 employees. They have a Gmail account, right? And all the other remaining employee, they have a Yahoo account. So in this way, you can apply pattern matching operators as per your problem statement or as per your scenario. So this is all about practice it. Thank you.